Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of activating Streamlabs tips for creators. Setting up donations through Streamlabs can be done in just a few minutes, allowing your viewers to support you directly. Let's get started with our step-by-step guide. Step 1. Create a Streamlabs account. To begin, visit the Streamlabs website and sign up for an account. You can log in using your existing Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook account. If you're a first-time user, it's quick and easy to create a new account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Streamlabs dashboard. This is where you'll find various tools and settings for managing your donations, alerts, and overlays. Step 3. Set up your donations page. In the dashboard, look for the wallet or tip page option. Click on it to access your donation settings. Here, you can customize your donation page URL, which will be the link you share with your audience. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Streamlabs allows you to accept tips via various payment methods, such as PayPal, credit cards, and more. Select your preferred payment options and link your accounts accordingly. Make sure to configure the settings to include any necessary details for receiving funds. Step 5. Customize your donation alerts. A crucial aspect of accepting donations is the visual acknowledgement you give to your donors. In the alert box settings, you can customize the notifications that appear on your stream when someone donates. Choose alerts that resonate with your brand and style. Step 6. Test your donation system. Before going live, it's essential to test your donation system. Use the Test Donation feature in Streamlabs to ensure everything works correctly. Check that notifications appear on your stream and that the payment method is seamless. Step 7. Promote your donation link. After everything is set up, promote your donation link. Share it in your video descriptions, chat, or social media platforms. Encourage your audience to support you via donations, reminding them how much it helps. Step 8. Monitor your donations. Keep an eye on your donations through the Streamlabs dashboard. You can view stats, track earnings, and engage with your community by thanking your supporters during your streams. Thank you for following our guide on how to activate Streamlabs tips for creators. We hope you found it helpful and that you're ready to start receiving donations from your amazing viewers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more great content.